Hey, how's it going? And today I'm going to show you how to create this text that stays facing the character. So if we have something there that says welcome to the jungle, and as I move either way it stays oriented towards me. So I'm going to be using this functionality in a game where the character comes in, and if they even walk away and they turn back, the object still stays oriented toward them. So it's just a really nifty feature to have. So we're going to start this from scratch. I'll escape out of the game. I'll go into new project, and we're just going to go into the first person, and we'll just call this FF5 and create. And this will just take a minute to do. That's my dogger. That dog will kill you with cuteness. Oh my gosh. Okay, so to get started on this one, we're just going to right click and create a blueprint class, an actor. And we'll just call this FF. I'll just call it a little more descriptive, forward facing sign. And then I'm just going to double click on it. And the first thing we can do is just drag in or add, I should say, a text renderer right here. And we can just leave it parented to the default root scene. It doesn't really matter what we do with this because we can change the color, I suppose, and we can format this. We can do a lot of things to kind of set this up as we go along, but we're just trying to create the basic functionality right now. And I suppose if we wanted to center this, we could center that. Okay, so it swivels more appropriately. What we're going to do then is we're going to also create a variable here, and this is just going to be for our text, and we can compile and save that and go to Boolean and make it text and go ahead and make that public, which makes it instance editable. Compile and save that. Looking at this, I might just pull this up a little bit too and compile and save, and then we'll go into the construction script here. We're going to drag off of here and just go set text. So this will allow us to set the text, of course, and we want it to the text renderer, and then we're going to feed it with this variable here. So we just drag this, get that variable, and pop it in right there. Compile, save. I'm going to just go ahead and dock this up here, and now we're just going to go back in here to our event graph, and this is all going to be driven by an event tick, although that's kind of expensive, as far as things go. It's you got to use them. So the first thing we're going to look for is we're going to go to set world rotation for the text renderer. So it's this one right there, and it already has that hooked up. And then we're going to right click and we're going to go find look at rotation, and we're going to go ahead and plug that in here. And then we're going to go we need the actor location, so we're going to get actor location, and we'll go ahead and duplicate that. We need 2 of them, and we're just going to plug one into here and one into here. And then the last thing we need is the player camera manager right here, and we're just going to pop that into here and compile and save. And believe it or not, that's all we have to do. So now if I come into the first person game and I drag an instance of this on, you might think, we don't see anything, but that's because we don't have any text in our thing. So I can just say welcome to the jungle like that, and if I hit play and jump in here, oh, it's way up there. Let's see, there it is. And as I walk over here, see how it swivels with me. So this is a cool functionality to have in your game, and you could add a component more to that to make it look even better. But anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Take care and have a fantastic day.